Hey guys, this is Brittany, and today we're going to teach you how simple it is for a girl to change their own taillight. And you just order the part, and all you need is a screwdriver. So let's show you. First things first, let's take out the piece. All it pretty much is connecting the prongs with the prongs, sticking it in, snapping it in, and 2 screws that are going to go in. So let's show you. Let's just do it ourselves. Come on girls, you can do this. So first thing, 2 screws, and it goes lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you're going to go left to the loose and make it loose. So the next step is to take out the lights and remove the cords so that you can transfer those cords into the new set of taillight. So all you're going to do is pretty much, it's going to twist, and I locked it into place, twist it the other way, and you'll pop it out. This is still a good light, so if you want to keep this light, you're more than welcome to. Just keep it attached, and you're going to just pretty much, there's a latch on the side and a latch on the other side. Pull as tight as you can, and it's going to jimmy this out of its spot. So you have 2 pieces. This is gonna hook onto the new taillight, and this you can just save it for later if your light bulb ever goes out. Alright, and the other side, same thing. You're gonna twist it to the side, jimmy it out, and you're gonna unhook this from the light bulb. Same scenario, push and pull as you can. So this you won't need. These cords will be for the new taillights. And say goodbye to this one. So next step is get the new tail light, and we're going to do the same thing we just did. We're going to connect the big cord with the big cord, and if you see, there goes little And the last step, final step, is to make sure that your light is working and intact with the light bulbs properly. So just start your car, turn your lights on, and put your left blinker on. And let's check out the taillight. Hopefully it's working.